Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos we have learned about many things using React 18 and I hope you enjoy all the things which we have done using React 18. So today I will be also telling you the thing using React 18 like using React 18 we have covered up many of the videos and we have learned many of the tags here like I've telling you about what is React transition, what is React animation, what is React hover, but we have not learned about what is React router, means what are routers in React 18. We have learned about routers when we were working with React.js, but we have not learned about routers when we are working with React 18. So today in this video, I will be telling you basically what are these routers and how you can work with this using React 18. So this video will be also really helpful and I hope you'll be understanding this router video. If you have understand, enjoy this. So hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well so you can just see all the coming up videos, because from that it will be giving you help to you also and it will be giving you help to me as well. And also remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can see these all videos which I am uploading, because that will giving them help. You can also check my previous React 18 videos which I have uploaded, because that will giving you help. And if you are watching this video for the first time, so remember to check out my first React 18 video, because in that video I've telling you how to set up React 18, how to make folder of that, and what the name I've given to my folder and where I have saved, because I am working on one folder in every video of React 18 which we are doing, and today also I'll be working with that folder, because I don't want to create folder again and again, and that will be just waste of time, because it takes too much time to create the folder React or React 18 and Next.js as well. So because of that I've created one folder and I'm working on that, and I'm telling you the tags in one folder, so it will be not waste of time for you also and for me also. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video, and in today's video, like I'm telling you, we'll be learning about React router, and I'll be telling you start to end basically what are these routers and how you can use it in React 18 from start to end. React 18, and in this video I will be telling you how to use React router and basically what is this React router in React 18. We have learned about routers in React.js, but we have not learned about routers in React 18. So today I will be telling you how to use routers in React 18. So for working with React router, here you have to open your VS Code, and after opening your VS Code text editor, like in the starting I've telling you, we'll be working on with the same folder which we have created in the first React 18 video. So I'll be moving to file and pressing open folder. So our folder was in local disk E with the name of app1. I'll be pressing select folder to open this. After open, you have to run your folder here by moving to your new terminal and write the command npm start to run your React 18 or React app. After running your folder, you will be moving into your folder and you will be containing many of the files. These are the two main files from which we'll be working. One is called app.js and one is called app.css. So these are the two files from which we'll be working today in this video as well. So in the previous video, we have just learned about the you can say outputting list, and just using outputting list we have just built an navbar as well. But today in this video we are not building any navbar, so I'll be raising all the codes from here and saving it. Then you have to move to app.css as well. From here I will be raising all the codes as well. So I will be now selecting this. Just don't import this, just don't erase this, import one. You can see now all the codes has been removed and our React 18 app is now also running. So we'll be now getting the command of starting development server. So you can see now it has started our development server on our localhost 3000 on Microsoft Edge browser. So I'll be doing it side by side, and coding side should be bigger here, so I'll be making it bigger. And then you will be now just getting the command on your terminal which is saying that compiled successfully, means our localhost is running and it is not having any error. So we will be getting that command. You can see now we are getting compiled successfully. You can now view app1 in the browser, means that it is now working. So like this you can work with these all stuff. So here I will be now pressing Ctrl P to close the side panel. After closing the side panel, here you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be moving under this div, and after moving in this div we'll be now just writing all the codes which we needed to work with this router. So basically if I write a router tag here, and after writing router tag here I will be writing this is router like this. So I will be now writing this, then you have to save it. You can see now it is showing our output on the front end which is saying that this is router. Now you can use router in console tag as well if you want to use it at the back end. So I will be moving to console, and here you can use router as well. So here for using the router you have to now just write console.log, then you have to write in this router in the colon, means in the brackets here. So I'll be pressing enter. You can see now we are just getting the router running here. So like this you can see it is also not having any error, because now we are just getting run here. So I'll be writing let is equals to router in the colon here, router are good. or you can say router are the tag, or you can say router have been import. So I'll be writing have been imported in React 18. So I will be writing this command. After writing this, you have to move down, and then you have to define this let tag in console.log tag, so it can show this command here. So I will be now writing console.log, and in the let tag we have written this command. So I will be not don't writing any of the colon. I'll be only writing let tag here. Then close this bracket and press enter. You can see now it has shown me the text which is saying that router have been imported in React 18, which is written here. You can see. So like this, you can work with these routers here, which I've told you. There are many different router tags which you can use here at the back end, or if you want to use it at the front end, so you can use. But if you use it at the front end, so it will be not having any of functionality which you want to put here. So I think that the work which we are getting of router is at the back end. So you can also use it in the back end if you're working with any of the project and want to show anyone like how to work with React routers. You can also import React router in your app.js file. So then you can just start the working here, but we'll be not importing, and I'll be directly starting the codes on my console tag using this console menu. You can see how good helpful is this console menu is. So here now you can see our router is working here in this console tag. So you can also use different tag here, like if I write here console.error tag like this, then if I just want to get any error, so I will be now writing here router is giving error. So I will be writing this. Now if I write this command and if I press enter, you can see now it is showing me the error, and it is saying me router is giving error. So the error which I want is now it is giving, and it is also showing the text which I have written in the error tag in the colon. So like this, you can work with this router tag, and I hope you understand how you can work with this React router. So we have to also change the title, because title is having outputting list, but today in this video we are learning about React router. So I will be now writing here React router as the title. So after writing this, save it. You can see now the title has been changed here, and we have also just not getting any of the thing because that has been removed here. Now if I just move here and if I write again the same tag like console.error, then I will be again writing this like router like this. Then I will be now just writing router is giving error. Then I'll be writing this one colon again, close this and press enter. You can also use double colon here to open and close your codes here, but it's your choice what you can do. So you can see now we are again getting the same error which is saying router is giving error, and if you press this arrow key, so it will be showing anonymous because it is not showing basically any error. We have used a tag to show error in our console menu, but if you don't want to use this error tag, you cannot. It's your choice here, and if you want to clear these all stuff, you can clear by using console.clear tag. So I'll be writing console.clear, and in clear I will be writing router is cleared. So here I will be writing and then press enter. You can see now it is showing me that console was cleared undefined, because we have just erased all the things using this console clear tag here. So like this, you can work with these all things, and this was our amazing React router which I want to show you. And you can use React router at the front end and at the back end as well, but it's your choice here how you can use it and where you can use it. So just I hope you understand how we have worked with this React router. So I hope you understand this video. If you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos, because that will also giving you help, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that videos as well. So just I'll be meeting you in next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials using React 18 and React.js like languages. So for today, goodbye.